This is a 1948 DeSoto four-door sedan, and I found it at Gateway Classics in Lake Mary, next to Orlando there. And I looked it up on the website. It's not on the website yet, but I got some pictures here of it, and it's the typical DeSoto interior. Very, very nice, well padded seats, very comfortable. Now, cars like this, DeSotos, were really used for many years, I'd say decades, in New York City. In fact, a couple model years before this, I think in 1942, with the disappearing headlamps, they also had something called the Sky Cab, which was a roof that opened to the back seat passengers so they could see the skyscrapers in New York. Now, under the hood here is a six-cylinder flathead engine, 237 cubic inches, very dependable, rock solid, and it has something called fluid drive, which simply meant it had a fluid coupling between the engine and the transmission. Now, it could have had the 3-speed manual, or it could have had the 4-speed tip-toe shift, which was a semi-automatic transmission. And that would make it very popular for taxi use in the big city, because all you had to do was put it in high range. You had to use the clutch to shift it from neutral to what would be considered high. And you would, actually it was third gear, and you would drive without needing to use the clutch. And you come to a stop and still not use the clutch. When you reached a certain speed, you could let up on the gas, and it would shift from third speed to 4-speed. So actually this tip-toe shift was actually a two-speed transmission with 2 overdrives. A very interesting attempt to take some of the drudgery out of shifting gears. So interesting cab.